Hi guys, so today is going to be a Dollar Tree Easter haul. So we're going to start off with the window clings. These were the only two that I found that I liked, but you can see the bunnies in this one. And they are just so precious, and they have a little bit of glitter on the bunny and the chicks. But what I liked about these is that they gave us the ones on the back. So you're getting more bang for your buck, okay? And yeah, so you have the colorful Easter eggs, and I just thought that was precious. Yep. All right. Then you have these little bunnies and the chick, and they're with the butterflies. I was going to say, I thought they were playing a game. Yeah, and so like he's painting. They have all these little activities that they're doing. What I loved best about this one is the back, because look at her. Is she not cute? So they actually come in different pieces, but it gives you like build your own bunny on the back here. And I just thought that was cute. And then it has the umbrella and the rainbow. I really like that one. Yeah, I thought it was different than just the regular ones. So then in this bag, we have the Easter egg picks, which are so great to add to any kind of spring floral, just to add that little bit of touch to it to make it Easter, but then you can take them out and you'll still have your spring floral. So you get the pink, the lavender, the green, and the blue, and I love these spring colors. Then I found these adorable candles. Are these not so cute? They are a pink and blue chick candle. I thought these were so cute, and you don't have to just use them for Easter. You can also use them for like baby showers. So if you have a baby shower coming up, you want to grab these now because they won't be around when it's probably time later on in the year. Moving on to our second bag, I grabbed some of the smaller and larger carrots to craft with. So in the larger ones, you get a four piece. And this one, the smaller one, you get 6 in it. But these are great to craft with. You could even add these in a tiered tray, put them in a little cup if you wanted to, or a little bucket, or have them in set up a little fence thing if you have something like that. These are going to be cute for that as well. Then I grabbed the large Easter eggs to hang on my tree. So I got 2 pinks, 2 lavenders, a blue, and 2 greens. I think they only had 1 blue, and that was the reason, because I wanted 2 of all. So it is what it is. You got to go with what you got sometimes. I then came across this adorable little drop down sign, and I just liked it for that little bunny. I thought that was cute, and the little chick. What I like about this is that I can pluck these off and redo them, like the burlap here, redo it, and then put it in like any kind of decor piece or a floral piece or a tiered tray or craft, any kind of DIY you'd like to do. Or you could even add it to a junk journal if you wanted to. Yeah, I just like that it gave different options. Then I came across the would-be jute garland. I know these were out last year, and I believe there's a third one. I just haven't seen it yet. So you have the orange one with the carrots. And again, you can pluck these off, take it apart. You could buy a couple and string it if you wanted to on like a TV stand or whatever. Put it on a tier tray, which is kind of what it's for. And I just thought these were really well made and just really nice. I mean, I would maybe redo this part, but that's about it. On that one only though. Like this one is cute to me because it's that jute. And it has that yellow. And then it has the chick added on it, which is adorable, and it has that little pink and yellow. I think this is perfect the way that it is. Wish I could remember what the other one is, but I don't know. All right, this sack has a lot of ribbon in it. First, I want to start off with showing you these little headband ears. I thought these were so cute. I love that pink plaid. I actually got this for a DIY to use the ears. Now, I could either do that or I could even put it in a junk journal if I wanted to. Picked up these purple, like sheer ones, and they just have a beautiful little bit of shimmer iridescent look to it. I thought these were very pretty, and I use these when I make any of my wreaths or DIYs. I also got the pink one that's identical to it. I love the color. These are gonna look so pretty together. And then I picked up the Easter plaid because I love Easter plaid. I actually got 4 of them because I wanted to make sure I had enough. But I just think the Easter plaid is so pretty. It's that pink, blues, yellows. Let me know, are you the same when it comes to the Easter plaid? It's just so cute. All right, then I picked up this Easter, I don't know, it has eggs and little bunnies on it. Kind of gives me like that Peep vibe on there, which is why I picked it up, because that'll be cute also to decorate with or add to a wreath or even add to a garland or a flower centerpiece if you wanted to. You could just add some in there. Ribbon is always good to decorate with and have. And then I found this blue plaid or buffalo check. I think it's buffalo check because they're the smaller ones. I don't know. I never remember. But I love this blue plaid or buffalo check. Dang it. I wish I would have had a pink one. I would have totally grabbed it. My last big one is this bunny one. And let me just open it. I thought she was adorable. I do wish the ribbon was thicker. However, I'll take it. Then I have these 3 patterned smaller Easter ribbons, and this one has little bunny feet on it and kind of a faux burlap background to it. Then you have the Easter eggs. I just love that it's the fun colors and bright and different designs. Y'all, this one is my absolute favorite, and I'm gonna open it as well. The reason I don't open all of the ribbon is because I don't like it to like hang out and unwind everywhere because I am a hot mess. So when I craft, I'm a hot mess. It is just crazy in there. Anyways, so these look identical to Peeps, and I should have got more because how cute are these gonna be to craft with? I really wish they had a bigger one like this because I would have bought multiple. How cute. Putting this in your journal, and you don't have to do it all this way. You can cut them apart and like put them this way if you wanted to. The only thing I would say that I don't like about it, besides it not being big enough or wide enough, is that it is not wired. So ribbon that's not wired is so much harder to work with compared to wired, and if you know, you know. Y'all, these are brand new this year, and look at them. The lavender, the blue, and the pink. These are gonna be great to junk journal with, even to scrapbook with, or if you're a planner, because you can use these as a border for like pictures or like important days of the week, anything like that. These are gonna be great to use. Then another brand new item are these metal ribbons. You can use these for so many craft items and things. Like you can use these for junk journal for a steampunk or a vintage look. You can use these as like a stamp if you wanted to. You could use these as a border to any kind of craft you're making, like a picture frame. I have a great idea I want to use these for. Hopefully it turns out. you'll have to see on my other channel, link down below. I picked up this bowl. I get one of these for every holiday for my fiance's keys, wallet, anything. I really like this pattern, that pink and that white. I just thought it was really pretty. The other ones were just not my style, and I honestly can't even remember what they were anymore. But I thought this would match my decor more. Okay, so I grabbed some eggs for DIY, and I got these. They're the exact same. They have that pretty pastel look to them, but they're iridescent. And these come in a 10-piece. Now let me show you the other pack that I got. They're the same size, but they're matte. However, these are a 24 pack. So if you don't care about the iridescent look to it and you just need Easter eggs, there's a 24 pack. So make sure you look. These were actually in a different bin, and I believe there was an 18 pack as well. So keep an eye out and look to see what's gonna be the best bang for your buck. I came across these in the party bow section. They just give me that spring Easter vibe. And I actually got this for my junk journal, but they have flowers. Like, and the little middle is cut out. Is that not adorable? How cute. You can even add this as like a little topper on your Easter baskets. Just kind of like decorate it with it or put it on the side, just to add some little flair to it. I just thought they were so cute. They actually, peel off backing and press on, so they're the stick-on ones. Okay. You could even glue these to some kind of like rubber band or anything like that and put them in like the little girl's hair for Easter anything. And like little piggy tails. Then I came across these little Easter eggs. And I feel like they're new. They're 4 pieces, but the bags like open up for some reason. But I bought them for a DIY because to me, they remind me of little Peeps. So they come all like as one, but you can open them up. But you get purple, pink, blue. See, they came out. And so the white. And you can spray paint these any way that you want. My last bag, y'all, these items are fresh. Okay, first I'm gonna start off with this wood bead garland. It was St. Patty's Day. I do not decorate for St. Patty's Day anymore. I used to, but I'm just a little more excited about Easter this year. But these are very cute and look like they come from Hobby Lobby. Like, no joke. For $1.25 though. Then I got these craftwood animal picks. They're actually in the gardening section, but I loved that they were bunnies. And these would be so cute if you wanted to stain them or paint them, whichever way you like to do it, and just add them into a floral centerpiece or in like your garden or any kind of plants you have lying around the house. You can just kind of tuck these in, or you can even tuck them into a wreath. But yeah, I thought these were precious and just a great little extra craft to have. Then I grabbed these little ornaments. I feel like these were out before, but I still like them. I wanted to get them for my tree since we are doing a tree this year. So you have the pink and the yellow and the blue and the purple. So these are just cute little things you could just decorate with in any way. You could even turn these into a garland if you wanted to, or you could glue like a popsicle stick on there, and you could even put them in like little pieces around your house, plants, things like that as well. And I came across one of the clear Easter eggs. So you get the 2 pieces. It's the giant ones. I got this for a DIY that I really wanted to do. I found this Peep lollipop rings. Y'all. Okay, what? Y'all. Look at this. Look at this cutie. What flavor is this? Marshmallow flavored lollipops. I wish I had pink. It's actually good. And I don't normally like this kind of stuff. Like the banana, yellow, lemon. I don't know what it is. If it's banana, I normally don't like it, but that's actually really good. So coming closer to the end, I got these 18-pack. They were actually in the spring fling section, but I thought these were cute. These would be great for Easter or just springtime or to craft with decoupage. I decoupage with napkins or I add things to my junk journal with these. You can cut like these out around it and it works out so good. These are such a cute little craft item that most people don't even think about. Now I'm going to show you my favorite thing from this haul, and I don't know why. They are just so cute to me, and I actually got them to craft with, but look at these. Are these not precious? They're little peeps. They are little peeps and not the wrapper. But look, these, like the pink one, and it has the little tail, that face. But can you imagine just like plucking this off? You don't even have to, oh, you could even pull it off of this and use it in your journal that way, or any kind of DIY. Look at that. And you can just pull it off that tail if you wanted to. But can you, like, this would be a cute little pull tab in your journal. And then you have the blue one and the purple one. These were the only ones I found. So y'all let me know if there's another color, because most of the time Dollar Tree does everything in fours. So I feel like there should be like a yellow or a green or something else out there. So I would think yellow. Let's hope it was yellow. Y'all just let me know. All right. Also, let me know what you would do with some of these items. I love to hear everybody's ideas. I also wanted to say that I am really sorry about 2 weeks ago, the audio was really bad. I did not realize that. I was trying to drown out my background noise from my AC that's really loud, and I don't know what happened, but it went really bad. So I reposted it last weekend after fixing it, just so that way anybody that wanted to actually watch it could watch it or would watch it now since the audio's been fixed. And let me tell you, it is an amazing Easter haul. It has all the brand new stuff out. So I will link it down below, but it is just like that previous one video. It's worth watching. That's why I wanted to redo it and put it back out there for you so you could enjoy it. And also last weekend, I went wedding dress shopping and we went venue looking for our very first time, and we went to one venue and we went to one dress shop and we got both all in the same weekend. It was the easiest experience I'd ever gone through, and I am beyond thrilled, and everything is falling into place and I am so excited. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.